Ashley, and in today's video, I'll make sure you guys how to get Daenerys Targaryen's makeup look from the Game of Thrones. I don't really watch Game of Thrones really, just to be honest, but I do love doing makeup, so I thought it'd be fun to do Daenerys' makeup look from the show, and also because obviously it's Game of Thrones final season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to start using my face primer that I always use from e.l.f. It's Poreless face primer, and I'm mixing it with my Proactive moisturizer and applying that all over my face. Now, Daenerys has very light skin, but it changes depending on the environment, so I'm using the shade closest to mine and mixing it with a lighter BB cream with that. Now, taking some concealer, I'm applying it under my dark circles and also any other blemishes I have. Now, taking this liquid blush from Mally, I'm just gonna dab it on my cheeks with my fingers and blend it in with a brush. Now I'm going to set everything with translucent powder. Moving on to brows, I'm going to make mine a little like Emilia Clarke's eyebrows, which are full and straight or something, which are kind of like Brooke Shields a little. And I tried to do that, but I think I kind of failed, so it is what it is, but at least I kind of made them thick or something like it is on the show. I'm just going to reshape them with some concealer. Now I'm going to do some contouring using the darkest concealers I have and going down with over that with some bronzer, and I'm going to reshape my nose a little to make mine a little like Emilia Clarke's. For the eyes, take a light brown eyeshadow and apply that over your lids. And I'm using clay from the Lorac the Pro 3 palette. And I'm also going to apply that on my bottom lash line. Taking a matte yellow base eyeshadow, I'm applying this to my inner crease. I'm just gonna define it with the dark brown eyeshadow from the same Lorac palette, and just very lightly applying it to the outer part of my crease and the inner part of my crease. Now take a shimmery eyeshadow and apply that to the inner corners of your eyes. I'm using the light gold from the same Lorac palette. Now taking Maybelline's Great Lash Mascara, I'm going to apply that to my lashes and just barely push them down a little to make my mascara barely there. Now I'm going to tightline my upper waterline since she does have a little bit of eyeliner on her. Now I'm speckling over some powder blush of the same color as the liquid blush that we used earlier. Moving on to lips, I'm taking this natural colored lip liner and lining my lips. And then take Revlon's Ultra Matte HD lip color in Forever and apply that to my lips. Now I'm just playing with some eyeshadows for more of a gaunt look by applying a maroon on the outer parts of my lips and a dark brown on the inner corners of my lips. Then I'm topping it off with Lorax Alter Ego Lip Gloss in CEO PDG. And I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight on the cupid's bow on my lips. So there's the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Comment below any videos you want to do, especially makeup tutorial videos. And I want to know who your favorite character is from the Game of Thrones and who you think will sit on the Iron Throne in the series finale. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!